Hello everyone, welcome to Euron. In this video, let's talk about Java end-to-end batch. So many college students and even a working professional. So those who are trying to build their career in Java, those who are trying to learn things with Java. So they were looking for a batch so where we can come and discuss about Java end to end. Keeping that in mind, so here is a batch which is already available to all of you, and we are going to conduct this particular batch in Hindi. Hindi is going to be the language. We will try to bring English batch as well, but yeah, as of now this batch is available in Hindi. We are going to kick off this batch from 1st of February, and timing is going to be Saturday and Sunday 9 p.m. IST to 10:30 p.m. IST, so that comfortably you all will be able to enjoy. Now if I'll talk about a mentor, so mentor is going to be Prince Katiyar, so who is already like a known figure for discussing a technology. And again, you must have seen his videos on YouTube, as well as you must have seen his classes in a live classes itself. Plus he's having a lot of recorded courses as well. So Java syllabus we have created in such a way that inside this syllabus end to end, starting from a very basic, there is no prerequisite at all. So starting from a very basic, we are going to discuss about each and everything, and starting from installation, and then um, moving into the basic concept like a variable, data types, loops, or if else kind of a statement, and then jumping into a OOP programming concept. And then we are going to talk about a collection framework, exception handling, input output, multi-threading, and concurrency. So everything we are going to discuss in this particular batch. Not just that, so we have made sure that we are not just going to talk about a programming language over here, because it's completely fine. We all try to learn a programming language in a beginning, but at the end of the day, the only thing which matters is a project. So if you are not able to build something out of your learning, then it's of no use. That's the reason. So we have integrated lots of project, not just one single project, and that too with AI integration, because we are living in an era of AI where AI is an integrated part of any technology or any development that you are going to do. So keeping that in mind, so here is a project that you can check out, and hope all of you are going to like it. Hope all of you are going to enjoy it. Now price for this batch is a minimalistic one, which is 2000 rupees. And if you have one student, one subscription plan, if you have access of Euron Plus, then you are not supposed to purchase this particular batch. By default, this batch is available. You can go to My Learning and then you can try to join the classes. Simple. And as of now, we are running New Year discount. So where we are giving you 10% of discount on Euron Plus subscription till 2nd of January. So feel free to, explore the batches. Feel free to explore this Euron Plus offerings, and we will keep on bringing new batches for all of you in a self-placed mode as well as in a live mode. With that, thank you so much everyone. See you in my next video.